This is Panda the Newfoundland. Hey, Panda. You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? No! You wanna go outside? No! No! Ah. Let's go outside. Oh, okay. You sure, Panda? You wanna go outside? Let's go outside. Come on. It's not that hot outside. Lucky you're cute. Alright, one more try. Panda, let's go outside. Okay, false alarm. We don't have to. But you sure? Panda, let's go outside. Alright, this time we're serious. Okay, it's okay. We're definitely getting her some core workout. Okay, Panda, let's go outside. Let's go outside. No, you're 160 pounds. I can't lift you. You know that. Your paws are as big as my hand. Let's go. Come on. You sure you don't want to go outside? Let's go outside. Oh, all right. We tried. Maybe next time.